The name of this cat you see is Oscar, or the Unsinkable Sam. This cat went on his first mission aboard the German battleship Bismarck. During the battle, the ship sank into the sea. He was later rescued by the crew of the British ship Cossack and was given the name Oscar. This Cossack ship was also hit and sunk by a German submarine. Oscar again managed to escape from the ship, and this time he was taken to the aircraft carrier Ark Royal. However, a month later, on November 13, 1941, a German submarine sank this ship. As you can imagine, Oscar managed to escape again, and eventually Oscar Sam was sent to an army headquarters in Belfast. From that date on, Oscar was not given sea duty. Cats actually have 9 creatures,